Hey, and today I'm going to show you how to make an admin role on your Discord server. Keep in mind this only works if you're the server owner. First thing you're going to do is click the down arrow next to your server name at the top left, and you're going to click on server settings. You're going to want to go down to roles, and here you can either create a new role or you can edit the default role if you want every member of your server to have admin powers. But for this, we're going to create a role. You can name the role whatever you want, but you probably want it distinguishable from the other roles since it will have admin powers. You want to click on permissions, and you're going to scroll all the way down to administrator, and you're going to click on this. Please do read the warning before you grant this out. You're going to click on save, and that's it. If you want to add members directly, you can either go here in the manage members tab, or you can go back to the main screen and add the roles like this. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and have a good one.